Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the dynamic island-style app and giving it the essential permissions. Tap Install, open the app, and allow overlay, notification access, and accessibility so it can read and display incoming events. Once done, remove battery optimization for the app in settings, otherwise Android may kill it. Make sure your phone is updated and you have a stable home screen layout. This reduces conflicts with other launchers. Now move on to configuring the core behaviors. Next, configure the visual and behavioral settings so the island looks correct. Start by positioning the anchor over the front camera cutout, then set width, height, and corner radius so it aligns visually. Once positioned, select which apps are allowed to show notifications inside the island and set priority for persistent vs transient alerts. Fine-tune animation speed and appearance, colors, transparency, and light effects so notifications feel native. Make small adjustments and test with a few app notifications to validate alignment and timing. Finally, run a set of tests. Call, media playback, and chat alerts to confirm the island reacts correctly and dismisses properly. If the overlay doesn't show, restart the app and then the phone. Often the overlay service needs a reboot to register. If issues continue, regrant overlay and accessibility permissions and remove any aggressive battery or security app restrictions. One key troubleshooting tip: disable one UI tweak at a time. Launchers, gesture apps, or themes can block overlays, so isolate the conflict and reconfigure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.